Hi, fourth graders. At this part of our lesson for today, you are going to pick a new opinion to write about and start drafting for the next 2 weeks. Right now, you're going to open up your writing notebook to get ready to brainstorm new ideas that you have. Remember, for every opinion you have, you must include 3 reasons why you think that. Each reason is a complete sentence. As a reminder, you must pick a new topic to write about. So if you already wrote about a video game, playing video games, you have to pick something different, like the best vacation, the best book you ever read, the best teacher, the best, anything that doesn't have to do with that. Just like if you picked a book series or if you picked a travel spot, you want to pick something that is different. As a reminder, on slide number 5, we have some ideas for opinions. It could be the best dessert, the best vacation, the best restaurant, the most talented athlete or singer or dancer, the best movie, the best video game. You can use this slide to browse and think about different ideas. As a reminder, in your free write notebook, you have to keep it organized. Your thesis statement, which is your opinion, like mine was, ice cream is the best dessert, gets a box drawn around it. Then, each supporting detail is a separate bullet point, but they are all complete sentences. Reason number 1, ice cream comes in lots of different flavors. Reason number 2, there are a lot of toppings you can put on your ice cream. Reason number 3, ice cream can be eaten all year. Those are all complete sentences. You're going to use the timer on this slide, and you're just going to use your notebook to think about some opinions you have and reasons you have. You want to start fresh, so don't look back at the ideas you had before. You want to write it in a brand new notebook page. You may start now.